Okay, imagine you are the inventor. You have filed your patent application globally. The patent application is granted. What's afterward? Afterward, of course, turning your patent into revenue. There are a lot of companies providing the solution for the filing and the prosecution. But talking about the monetization, do you know there are very less companies providing this kind of solution? But we have not only providing the solutions, we have a platform where you list your patent. It's visible to the global manufacturers, global companies. They can connect you. So let me explain to you what this patent monetize company is all about. You have some patent application granted in any country. You come and register on our platform. After registrations, we and our team will do the due diligence of your patent, finding potential buyer, finding the strengths of your claims, and accordingly preparing the marketing strategies. The marketing includes like the negotiations, bargaining, and everything. And accordingly, we will not just assist you for the finding the potential buyer, but we will take care of legal compliances as well. So with the patent monetize, we will take care of all of your process, from the registration on our platform, finding the potential buyer, and turning your patent into revenue. So if you have patent, please come and explore our website, Patent Monetize. Thank you so much.